today we have a very good opportunity to interact with one of the good players who came in from the She Cranes. How are you, sister?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Now, could you tell us what is your name?
I'm called Oyela Stella, a player of National Insurance and a former captain She Cranes.
Okay. Oyela Stella, love you, level two. Anyway, this is our beautiful place.
Thank you.
Now, what brings you to Gulu?
One wabino kan pinyo to talent mawati kere wamero upbringing to anyera cause netball play northern Uganda cause an babana akila yibi college Kenya ngela yibi college Kenya so wabino minyo to talent me anyera chobe teni amebeda gan beda rupi netball so wabino kanyo to talent wamiro kanyo to dani She-Cranes betie down when me mete to cause most of the times keep favoring Cho, so not most of the girls, so they're left there like that. So that's why we have come into northern regions to motivate young players, mothers who are there who are interested in playing netball. So we are welcoming them to come on board.
Wow, we need to of course get more wide career. Now I'm here to watch what will you do to improve netball to try Uganda because we're going to take a mindset people down football. Now, if you could at least to change that mindset to netball.
First of all, one wamia chaki grassroots because wamia chaki primary, wadaka secondary clubs betie. That's why we now tell anu yela team take away mina ni dan way kunen kubora ni anbe dan majo mamalo ni waran to netball. So jo mandie kitwin manak mi to netball dugu gichen ni kibien to netball. So
all right, I have to ask this question because how many Acholi players are there? All players from the northern region. How many are there in the team?
Northern region, my job, my netball, what you done and when.
Wow, that's so good.
Number 10, captain, Peace of course, Proskovia, Anu Yela Stella, Chan Jessica, Yaro Irene, Mia Karua.
Now, as a She Cranes, no event many matika bien ma won't take a pair tournament work national level, international level tier.
Tournament here, my to international level, so we are preparing for Commonwealth games.
Commonwealth chakawa.
We check Duema Biero, Duema Girmea Biero up to August. So it's like 3 weeks game time. So more international games me watch to chani, me were preparing chani. You join now watch every kind of region. Kanani were known sponsors, sponsoring netball. Young machan were pay sponsors. So right now don't watch young sponsors could be on board. Nan kiri okay netball meta gym.
Wow, mena ni Lakwed TV of course ya gike man in the case system Yomyamara and she did us so proud and she's still doing so well. Ati Roni, ti live Lakwed TV.